Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will learn how to find slope from given graph. So here we have step-by-step instruction I'll give you how we will find slope from graph. So first thing, we have formula here, slope from graph. You need to find change in y divided by change in x. Few books also they will say change in y, they denote it by delta y over delta x. So now here we have example. So your step one, whenever we have given a graph and we need to find slope, what you can do is take 2 points. All right, so your step one, choose 2 points. Any 2 points, which one you can find as whole number. So we can see here in this graph, we can see, let's see, 2 exact point we have right here. So see, we can see x is 8 and y is -4. We can see next point, we can see right here. We have here, this point is exact. So it's easy to decide change in y divided by change in x. So we can choose any 2 points from here. So let's say we will choose these 2 points and we will find slope. All right. So second step, we will do slope equal change in y divided by change in x. So to travel from this point to get here, how many units you need to travel vertically? So we are going down, so we can say -2 units. And right hand side, you are moving 3 units, right? So you can say change in y is -2 and change in x is 3. So that is your slope. Also, we can see our graph is going downward. When we will read any graph, we need to read left to right. So we are seeing my graph is going downward, right? So slope must be negative. Must be negative. It's downhill. So you can say slope must be negative. All right, so that's very simple way you can find it. That's it, just 2 steps to find slope from graph. So let's see second example. Here we have, so my step one, try to pause this video and try to do by yourself. Let's see. All right, so did you find slope? All right, so what is your step one? Step one is choose 2 points. What 2 points we will choose? Which one is whole number? So let's say we have here, these 2. Also we have here. Any 2 points you can choose. All right, you will try to choose closest one. That way you don't need to reduce this fraction. If you will, I'll show you 2 different ways here. Let's say first we will choose these 2 points. All right, so we need to do change in y divided by change in x, right? Slope is change in y divided by change in x. So change in y, so from this point, see, you are going up. So you will start from left hand side point, whatever you choose. So see, you are going up 1 unit. So you can say 1 here. And it's positive because it's going up. Now we are moving right hand side. So it will be, again, we have positive. So 3 units. So 3. So that's it. That's how you will find slope. Can we reduce this fraction? No. So that is your slope. All right, now we will choose another 2 points and let's see, we will get exactly same slope. So let's say we will choose, let's say this point and this point. All right, so we need to travel up how many unit? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. And it's up, right? So you will move right hand side how many unit? And say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 12 unit. And you are moving on right hand side, so slope must be. So here you can say slope is change in y is positive 4 over change in x is 12. So now you need to think, can we reduce? Yes, we can reduce by 4, so you will get 1/3. So either 2 points you will take, you will get exactly same slope after you reduce fraction. So here is the strategy. If you will take 2 closest point, then in that case you don't need to reduce. So you will get exactly same slope. Also now we will notice my slope is positive, right? Slope is positive. We will read graph from left to right. So my graph, we can see it's going uphill, right? It is uphill. So graph is uphill, or you can say upstairs, going upward, either word you can use. Whenever your graph is uphill, your slope must be positive. So after you find slope, always you check these two things. My graph is uphill. I found my slope is positive. It looks right. If my graph is downhill, I found slope is negative. So see, that is appropriate. Always you will check your answer once you find it. You can check it is appropriate or not. All right, so next one, we have horizontal line. So my step one is what? Choose 2 points, right? Any 2 points you can take. See, you can take any 2 points next to each other. You can take any 2 points. And then you will find slope. It's not uphill, it's not downhill. So we don't know it will be positive or negative, right? So we will do change in y divide by change in x. So do we have any to travel from this point to this point? Let's see, we have this point to here. Do we need to travel anywhere on y-axis vertically? No. So change in y is 0. And change in x is how many units? 1, 2, and 3. So you will just say 3. Or any 2 points you will take. But once we have numerator 0, answer is 0. So any horizontal line, slope must be 0. So you will check any horizontal line, right? Horizontal line. Slope must be 0. Slope must be 0. Now, next one we have. Everyone can find for this one. Pause this video and check how you can do it. So your step 1, choose 2 points. So let's say any 2 points you can take it. All right. Now second one, you will do change in y. So you have slope equal change in y divided by change in x. So we will see from this point to this point. how many unit you need to travel vertical? 1, 2, 3 unit. So you will say change in y is 3 unit. Do you need to travel horizontally? No, so it is 0. If we have denominator 0, answer is undefined. So any vertical line, slope must be undefined. You can remember this. Slope must be undefined. All right, so let's see now. We have one more. I'm pretty sure you can do this. Pause this video and try to do by yourself. And come back and check your answer with me. So what is my step 1? Everyone knows what is your step 1 is. What is your step 1? Choose 2 points, right? Any 2 points you can choose. This, here, here, any 2 points. But what strategy I saw you? Which one you will take 2 points to make it easy? Oh my goodness, look at this. How many points we can take here? You will take 2 closest point you will take. So you don't need to reduce. So then you can find slope equal. So change in y, let's say we are taking these 2 points. So change in y is 1 and it's going up. Change in x is 1. So 1 over 1. So slope is 1. And after I will find my slope, I will always check it is appropriate. I found slope is positive. My graph is going up. So slope must be positive. So yes, we did right. All right, everyone found answer correct? All right, so here is conclusion. We can see, read graph always from left to right. It is going uphill, so slope must be positive. All right, graph is going downhill, slope must be negative. And then we have, if we have graph is horizontal line, then slope is 0. And when we have graph is vertical line, then slope is undefined. Most of the time, student mixed up with these two of this, horizontal line and vertical, they switch. In that case, what you can do is, you can take any 2 points, right? You can write it up, what 2 points is. We have x is 3 and y is negative 3. Here you can say x is negative 2 and y is negative 3. So you can see also you have y coordinate same, right? So you will get 0 over something, right? 0 over something, slope must be 0. Same thing here, you can take any 2 points on this graph and find slope from 2 points. All right, I hope this video will help you to how to find slope from graph. It will better understanding. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and help others. If you like it, please click on like and write in comment. I hope this will help you, and see you in next video.